Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Mandela Highway and we are going to give you an update on the Raintree commercial complex. Now this development has started. As you can see, they have cleared away a lot of trees. Before this entire area you couldn't see the ground, it was covered with trees. So they've started to clear it out, and they've also put up some fences and they have put up some buildings. I don't know, probably for the workers to stay in, and an administrative building. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. And we are right beside the ferry police station, right off Mandela Highway. The Raintree commercial complex, currently under construction in Ferry Pen, St. Catherine, is one of the most ambitious and transformative infrastructure projects being undertaken in Jamaica in recent years. Spearheaded by the Urban Development Corporation, this 108-acre commercial development is part of the larger Caymanas Estate development area. Strategically positioned at the crossroads of three major highways, Mandela Highway, the Edward Seaga Highway, and the PJ Patterson Highway, the project is envisioned as a modern, light industrial and commercial hub that is poised to significantly alter the economic and physical landscape of the region. The core purpose of the Raintree commercial complex is to provide a high-quality, ready-to-build commercial environment for businesses involved in logistics, manufacturing, warehousing, light industry, and business process outsourcing. With the Jamaican economy increasingly focused on attracting foreign direct investment, reducing unemployment, and improving ease of doing business, Raintree offers a turnkey solution with fully serviced lots equipped with roads, utilities, and modern infrastructure. The UDC has stated that this is a major commercial real estate development. The UDC has stated that this is its first major commercial real estate development in over 25 years, signaling a renewed commitment to planned urban growth and national economic development. The complex aims to bridge a gap between the country's industrial potential and the need for strategically located, accessible, and environmentally conscious commercial real estate. Groundbreaking for the complex took place in April 2025, and the construction of infrastructure is now underway. The project's Phase 1 includes 69 commercial lots, and even before construction began, more than 35% of these lots had already been sold, demonstrating a strong demand and investor confidence in the location and concept. Lot 69, a prime parcel of 2.8 acres, was advertised with a minimum bid price of $402 million, and similarly lots are attracting interest from both local and international investors. The infrastructure budget for Phase 1 is estimated at $3.8 billion, with expectations that private investments in buildings and business operations will exceed $15 billion. These figures illustrate not only the scale of the development but also the level of public-private partnership it invites. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.